Yes, my people, big up on yourself, man. Big up, big up, big up. You don't know the thing, man. You don't know what's a NEWLINK there, my people. Giving thanks to life as usual. You understand? Yeah, man, they had some driving in the night. Look out the road there. You see it? Out the road is dark. Yeah, a night time now. So right, that's a time I change tomorrow, you know. So me and Jamaica did up at the same time. So tomorrow, when it touch 12 o'clock, me and Jamaica are dip at the same time again. You understand? We are different time. Well, people, you are going now. No joke thing. Zin? We really want to talk about this thing now because our concern vlogger. Me NEWLINK is a concerned vlogger. And I mean say attack. I know some attack anything we forget attack. Even do certain things, but NEWLINK still attack. Don't stop attack NEWLINK. So now me gonna talk about this thing because no joke thing, serious thing right now. See? And listen to what me I gonna say. Just like me as a vlogger now. More me I go through me comment them. Me and people say, boy, every day NEWLINK, you talk about killing. Be a killing. So now, NEWLINK, we channel I go through some local fears and thing, and most of we upload them. We upload some only for different something here now. You get me as a people? And watch it enough. You think they watch it? Them that sit there, we not talk about no killing. They not watch it. Zin? Them not watch it, them not view it. But when you post the video with them comment pan now and say killing, then watch it. Me now, as a vlogger, as a YouTuber. Zin? What you think you get me? For YouTube. The views. So when the video they not get no views now, come on. You gonna get money? No. So if you say there's a topic where you can, you know what I mean, and get views, you know what I mean? We cover every story, but me gonna tell our people unfair. And that's why them get enough of them artists are confused. And that what more we really talk about now, the artists, they make get confused. Go look at it now, people. I'm gonna tell you something. Javilani. You know Javilani? Yeah, man, that Javilani something, brother there, the Clark's per foot, brother there. You understand? Wild side government, big up. Before, you know, Javilani used to do some real conscious music, people. Me I tell you this, if you listen to some Javilani, be a conscious music. The people have never take on to him, man have so much conscious music. And the man decides say man change up in family and come with bad gun tune. I see him boss now. Can buy all BMW and buy bill house and live life. But when he put out the conscious music, the people have not take on to it. Them not busy with him. But when they put out the bad man sitting them now. So how do you expect the artists them now I go stop the gunman song them? And I like say them really I said this and said that, you know, people. We have to understand. That's why the other day I may get backlash when they do a promotion for a gun song from an artist. You know what I mean? And in the end, me even say in the vlog say, listen me. The artist is just singing and I like say, you know, I tell them man if you do this and they must support now this and that. But people, honestly, we man them must sing conscious music or not support them thing. So we want to expect them to do. The man they want bus, they want a break too. And them not get the bus when them do this. So them go try means and the likes they want it, but the man they want break, they want to take care of their family too. They need money too. You understand? You know, it's artists out there fight to get a slot, to get a bus and can't get your long. Eh? A bleach for a stage show and still can't get a chance to perform on the stage. A big promoter for even 1 minute and they not get it. Come on, man. Only if you support the entertainers them, support the vlogger them same way. You understand? Not just for what you want, but when the people might do the right thing or want to do this, you not support it. See, you say, hey, if you say gun lyrics is not the right thing, so why do you not support the people and positive tune them? Eh? Look for I-Octane. See, I be a bad man song I-Octane start there now. Eh? Me can't believe this people. What time I know? 9:23 I see a woman I run on the road this now. My world, my patience. I show me I go so fast, me could have shown her. But me pass already. My world, my patience. Them people are brave, man. No a white in a black. NEWLINK. Walk to my topic, NEWLINK. Yeah? So what me I say now, people, no joke thing, in a real thing me I telling about it, you know. See? Them, yo, alright, look at it now. Me I showing you something. I'm showing you see I be a corruption I go on. Yes, big up a 6 them. artists them, even though the 6 they not up there like before. Cause you know I'm not afraid for talk. The 6 they not act like before. Big man thing. Cause the music formula just change up every minute, people. Me I tell you, you know, easy like one time, you know, an artist will find a one song, you know, hit song. Me tell you no, yes, when you make that look of money there, you better save the money there. I got build up one room or sitting on top waste the money. You understand? Because when you get that one hit song there and make a food off for you, remember me tell you, hard to find another hit. You know, see a thing go. We have to be like Tamil who continue to be dominant and holding slack. Tamil is the only artist who me say. Otherwise, I'm Vibes Cartel. Me not tell no lie. Tamil is the only artist who me see. And Popcorn. You know the man they are senior and go liquor than them. Man they are senior. But me ain't gonna tell you Tamil is the artist who me see as a young youth. We're holding slack people. Even though him travel thing did set away, still holding slack and he never, you know what I mean? You know, chop off. Zin? But look on it now, people. Zin? You have some artists out there. Good artists. I put out good music. Listen when NEWLINK say, you know, real song, the man them a put out, you know, people. Me I tell you this, me do some review for some artists, people, and me I tell you, so the artists, they better. Enough of them boy there, who done there, so them a big artists and a tour down the world and not to this. Real artists, me not talk about no, whether them a do trap dancehall, whether them a do this a type of dancehall, me I talk, them artists a do the same thing, better than them by far. And the man, they can't get a bus. And they like say, man, they ask, because some people say, man, have to spend money. Zin, the man, them a spend money. They might pay for review their song. They might do everything. But what? The people know, like, it's like a force, a whole about them and them thing. And like say you have to do some as, yo, to me sit now people and some evil thing are going under the music thing, you know. It's like you have to sign up to something or do something to get that break there. Because some type of people I see I get the break people and the boss. Them not deserve it. You understand? Them not deserve it. Them not deserve to walk on the road, go to the airport much less reach in the airport much as they take a plane with the whole foolish so them put up and do. When real artists out there publicize and put out good music and the people them not give them the break. Only need to support the artists them. Not because they not reach up the big arm, the big name, something there. But remember say, you know, the artists get the big name, something there, you know, and they say them did that too, you know. You understand? Before maybe as me tell us, maybe you go touch up that something there and you get that something there. You get? Come here for wonder people. Me see some young artists, me I tell you the truth. The man them so talented as me tell you before. The man them thing well up. Like 100 million. Zin, the man them a spend money, them a pay these track to play their song. Them a pay a blogger, one blogger for review their song. You understand? The man them a put out them thing in the star. Them a do everything, on TV, everything. And they still can't get the break. The man them a sing better song than some boy song when me say about them have hit song. Hit song what? Eh? Man, them have real music. What me know say can last. Good tune. Zin? And then I get the break. But for tell us, there be a corruption I go on in the thing. Just like over foreign the people. Come me go over America and show you something. See I'll drake them. When they boy they name Young Thug and the whole of them boy they. You think so them man and they a rapper? Yeah, some real rapper you thought them I tell a real top class rapper. You understand? And the man they now get the break. Zin? Cause be a corruption in the music. And a real thing, me a facts, me a telling you, my people. Facts. Reality. And what me see and what me know. Zin? But what I go on now, as me a tell you now, it a start from we, as the fans them, who for support. You know what I mean? Because we don't support true talent nowadays. And me I go tell you this. Artists learn this. You see when they no come to boom on find a one hit song, remember where I come from. You know what I mean? Because you are going and I'm telling you something. You know I'm not afraid to talk as I tell you I'm name NEWLINK. You see that video long? You have some artists, you know, some entertainers. Zin? They're entertainers and our people. They switch. Because you know they switch, they're ungrateful. You know idea, you know? Vlogger give them a start. Zin? We talk about them something already. Vlogger bust them. And when they get some boom and make a big name, they no remember say a vlogger did put them where they there. Zin? And not just saying that too. You're the other part of the story now. Zin? You have some of them now, people. Then comes a boom. Zin? And after vlogger give them the support and give them the bus now. Zin? Then turn them back in a certain way like they no remember say I didn't did so then did they. And who did I do that and I do that for them. Zin? Me I tell you now. They want it song give them couple shows, yes. Me no bad mind, me no grudge, you know. They want it song make them travel, yes. Me no bad mind, me no grudge, you know. They run go by car, yes. Me no bad mind, me no grudge, you know. And I idea now. Song gone done, you know, because you know, say, it's song now. If you hit song 10 for 3 months up there, you're lucky, you know. Them the days are done. It's song last year, 1 month now, and I hit that. 3 weeks and I hit that. Number 1 pan trending for 2 weeks, and that it's song done. See? And the man then comes to boom now. Get flat back, career good on water lane again. See? What am I going to do? Try run back to Vlogger. No run come to NEWLINK. Pick on no side. Don't come to NEWLINK. This is a strictly dancehall thing me I deal with tonight, now people. Dancehall me I talk about. Me I talk about the corruption in the music. Me I talk about artists who are ungrateful. Me I talk about all people who not support the talent them. Enough set me attack and I deal with. Zin? Because reality are the things enough people want to talk about, but they are scared to talk about it. And NEWLINK is somebody who talk reality, and that's why people love and respect NEWLINK. So, Zin, that's why entertainers are all over the place love and respect me. When me say me come so boom, I'm going to put up NEWLINK anniversary 27th of March, see? Me see people all over there, so I say NEWLINK who want to come in and place the anniversary, you know. Me see people say, yo, we buy a ticket and book hotel and come for the anniversary, you know. And me I say, you see it? People love NEWLINK. See? And me I say, even though a promoter try hold on my thing, but me not beg no one if you put me on a show. See? I'm still so. But me can't tell any promoter boy this, sir. In a Antigua, in a St. Kitts, in a Bahamas, in a Trinidad, over Miami, in a England, Canada. Any NEWLINK book for any one of them that show down the show sold out. Think a joke thing I me attack for get good name. Any NEWLINK book for any one of those show, the show sold out. No joke thing about it. And I can tell you this a 1,000,000%. Because when NEWLINK comes a boom, and NEWLINK Japan certain show people, and when we start, oh my God, the people love NEWLINK. People just want to come for just say NEWLINK, so. Stay so attack. When I take my camera, I say attack Canada. Attack Bahamas. My style different people. See? But what? Then I want to book NEWLINK. What me I do? Nah, beg no promoter for book NEWLINK. Me get show same way. Me fly same way. You understand? Even though I not publicize the thing certain way. Got me on show them. I be a corruption in the thing. But in the end, people, just sees and he knows everything. I know I say that NEWLINK always say, no. And me give thanks to life every day. And me appreciate my viewers and my subscribers them because you go now. Why me can't be ungrateful to you? I wanna bill me. Because when me they come to boom and they don't want small subscriber they say, no. And I wanna bill and share the thing them in the people. You know shares and share my stuff them. Zane. And me appreciate every one of you for that. I say vlogger who have 6,000 subscribers, 5,000 and still support my thing. And I respect you. Zane, you continue doing the vlogging thing. You understand? If you don't want to watch NEWLINK and learn certain rules, if anything you don't understand, you can link me up on Instagram. Want to learn about vlogging and something. If you're not interested, you know, me showing the ropes at me at time. Even though most time I'm busy, you understand? But there's nothing for me come so boom and showing a couple of ropes. You get me I say? Because at the end of the day, you know what I mean? We are all one. I say we are one. And we can't bad mind. This is for everyone away. This is not for one-sided because some people take one side and 3 side and 4 side. This is for all away. You get me I say? I'm wanting to understand this. See? NEWLINK, respect you know. And my thanks the love. My thanks the support. See? The 19th of this month, when I go stay so boom, and I go launch and come so boom and try to get back my thing up and running and we are going to see what them are do and we're not going to know because you know say once and them say oops NEWLINK are going to say and I couldn't know what I go on because we say attack and we say we and we fans them we are one we never let them out you understand we not sell them out never because without Uno Udo have the attack boss NEWLINK so big up on yourself and big up to the artists them you understand. And the artists them here what go on. Link up. Instagram. Big up. Peace out.